Hi, I'm Ted. Today I'm going to show you how to repeat the cell lines at the top of each page in Excel. This is something that's very helpful to do when you have a long spreadsheet with many lines and you have some header lines at the top and you don't want to go through manually and make new header lines where each page break would appear. Instead, you want to be able to use the same header lines that just appear once on the spreadsheet, but then when you print it out, they appear at the top of each page. So I've got a spreadsheet set up here with just some made up financial data, and I'm going to show you the steps to do what I'm talking about. Now, it may be different depending on your particular computer and operating system. On this particular operating system on the Mac and this particular version of Excel, you go to the page setup menu. I think on Windows it may be when you actually go into the print menu and then there will be page setup options. But what you want to look for is on this one, under the page setup option, you go to Sheet and you'll see print titles, rows to repeat at top and columns to repeat at left. So I'm just going to show you how to do it where the rows repeat on the top, but you can see that if you had many columns that would go onto different pages, you would do this similar thing there. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put the cursor on the rows field here, and I'm going to go over to the spreadsheet and select the rows that I want to appear. In my case, it's just the top row. If it was more than one row, you would select them. And so what appears here is basically Excel's notation for row 1, and I'm going to say OK. And then I'm going to print. I'm not actually going to print, but you'll be able to see what happens. I'm going to say print. And then in the screen here, you can see this is like a preview of what you're going to see. It's going to be 4 pages, and let's just slowly scroll through the pages. You can see on page 2, the headers are going to appear. On page 3 and page 4, the headers are going to appear. Just what we want to do. And then, of course, we can click on print. So I hope this has been helpful. I'm Ted, and today I showed you how to repeat the cell lines at the top of a page on each page in Excel. Thanks for watching.